I'm excited today to show you a new art material. One that you've used before, but not necessarily like this. These are liquid watercolors. You've used watercolors before, but they were dry. This time I'm going to give you an opportunity to work with liquid watercolors. I've put them in this ice cube tray to keep them organized. Now the only thing with the ice cube tray is it's blue, so it's a little tricky to tell what color is what. So if you need to get a piece of paper from the Imagination Station, you can do that to try and test out those colors. Now let me tell you, with the wet watercolors, you will not need to use much. A teeny bit goes a long way. And your brush does not have to be wet before you even get started. I've got my drawing here, and I just want to kind of show you how this works. I'm going to dip into a color. I'm just going to dip the tip into that color, and then you're going to go ahead and paint it on your paper. And you're noticing the colors are beautiful. Now you want to make sure that you stay inside the lines when you're painting. If you want the color to be a little lighter, you can add some water to it. If you want it to be a little darker, don't add that water. Now the cool thing about these watercolors are you can use them straight or you can mix colors. The way I'd like you to mix colors is by mixing them right here on your paper. I am going to wash my brush off in between each color. You want your brush to be clean before you dip into another color. I'm going to dip into just a little bit of red, and I'm going to put it right here on the edges, and you'll see it. Oh, that's beautiful. Kind of combining there. I'm going to get a little water on my paintbrush and kind of rub this together. This helps it mix in. Oh, that's beautiful. Now I'm going to wash my paintbrush off, and let me show you another color. I'm going to dip into this green color. And you'll see you'll paint with it just like you painted with the other watercolors. But like I said, this time you do not have to get that paintbrush wet. There we go. Remember, when you are mixing colors, mix them right on the paper. Oh, I love that. I really want to encourage you in every area that you paint to add in some complementary colors. I think that would be beautiful. So I know you're going to enjoy using these liquid watercolors. When you're finished, you want to make sure this goes back over to the tray. There are 3 ice cube trays go on each lunch tray. And then wash out your paintbrush and wash out your water. So enjoy.